Many beginner traders spend hours watching charts, waiting for price to reach a support level, resistance level, or a trade setup. Instead, there is a much easier way that lets you set up your charting software to monitor the market for you. I'm talking, of course, about price alerts, and in this lesson I will show you how you can create them in TradingView. What is an alert? Basically, TradingView watches the market for you. You choose a price level and TradingView notifies you when the price reaches it. There's no need to constantly watch charts. Here's how you create a basic price alert. Right-click on the chart and click on Add Alert. Specify the price that you want. Okay, let's make it a little bit lower, 694. Here is our price alert. So when the price reaches it, I want to be notified. Specify here whether you want just the price going below it, going above it, or crossing it any other way. Then you can give the price alert a notification. For example, if you just want it valid for today, you can add a special message that will appear, and you can specify the type of notifications. So here the notifications are set up to be displayed in the TradingView app. Here you can specify it for a mobile app if you're using your mobile phone for trading, or you can set it up so that you'll get an email sent to your email account. Okay, and then we create it, and here is our price alert. So once the price drops and touches this price, then we will get a notification. And this makes your life so much easier because instead of watching the charts for hours, just place an alert, leave the computer and receive a notification when price arrives. Simple. The value of this is it saves time, reduces chart watching time, this is very important, and reduces emotional decisions. And it helps you focus on quality setups and not staying in front of your computer and living in anticipation, will the price finally reach your level? I found that one of the biggest beginner mistakes is feeling like you need to watch charts all day. Price alerts allow you to wait for price to come to you, and it significantly reduces your emotional cost. What I have shown you so far is a simple price alert. Once the price reaches it, you will get an alert, but this can be more complicated. For example, let's add a simple moving average, and I'll change this to say a 200 period moving average. Let's say we want the price to cross above the moving average, and that is when we are going to enter. So we just right click on the moving average and we can add an alert to the simple moving average, and in this case we want the price to cross above it. Okay, and let's create it. So now I have two alerts. Another alert I'll show you. Let's add another indicator, a relative strength index. So this is the indicator here, and let's say we want to add an alert to it. Now the RSI is actually very useful for alerts because we right click on it, add the alert just as before, but here we have different conditions. So we can specify crossing, but I find this is quite interesting. We can have a regular bullish divergence or a regular bearish divergence. I've created a video on RSI trading strategies where I explain exactly how you can trade the divergences, but this is actually very useful because you can set it up so that TradingView will monitor for a bearish divergence or bullish divergence, and then you will get a notification. I find this is very useful here. Same as chart, so here you can specify time frame as well, and then we can create it. Okay, so now we have created a normal price alert. We have created a price alert based on the moving average, and I have added a price alert here to detect divergences. Let's say that I want to remove all alerts from this chart. What you do is you go to the right hand corner, click on the clock, and here you have the settings for all your alerts. So you can simply remove them one by one. If you'd like to try TradingView, I've included a link in the description below, and if you buy through this link, you will get a little bit of a discount as well. I hope you found this tutorial valuable, and I'll see you in the next one.